Good evening, guys. Welcome to the channel GK Key for Exam. So today I thought, why not take a break from the 15 daily GK questions and let's discuss about the current topic about why it's raining in North India, as it has disturbed the northern India states like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and many more. So in today's video, let's discuss about why it's raining in North India. So let's move to the next page. As we can see in the news that India has seen a surge in monsoon rainfall resulting in 2% excess rainfall over the country on July 9th. In the past 2 days, an interaction between a western disturbance and the monsoon through led to extremely heavy rainfall over the Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, and Haryana, causing landslides, flash floods, widespread damage to highways and other infrastructure. So, all these are because of the western disturbances which are happening in India. So let's discuss about Western disturbance. So, what is Western disturbances? It is the extratropical storm that originates in the Mediterranean region, which brings sudden winter rain to the northwestern parts of the Indian subcontinent, is known as Western disturbance. It is a non-monsoonal precipitation pattern which is driven by the westerlies. This may happen during any season, not necessarily in monsoon. These extratropical storms are a global phenomenon. This phenomenon usually carries moisture in the upper layer of the atmosphere, unlike their tropical counterparts, where the moisture is carried in the lower layer of atmosphere. In the case of the Indian subcontinent, moisture is sometimes shed as rain when the storm system encounters the Himalayas or Himalayan region. So here in this figure, we can see that here it's Mediterranean Sea and the western disturbance come from here throughout Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan and in India, in North Indian states till UK or till Himalayas. And here it's UK, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana, which gets disturbed by the western disturbances. So let's move to the next slide. How is the formation of western disturbances? Western disturbance has its origin in the Mediterranean Sea as extratropical cyclones. A high pressure is exhibited area over the areas like Ukraine and neighborhood countries causes the intrusion of cold air from polar regions towards an area of relatively warmer air with high moisture. This change in pressure from cold air to warm air generates favorable conditions for cyclogenesis in upper layer of the atmosphere that promotes the formation of an eastward moving extratropical depression in the sea. Then these gradually travel across the Middle East from Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan to finally enter the Indian subcontinent. In this figure we can see that the movement of western disturbances. So here we can see that it's not that it can happen only in winter or in monsoon, it can happen in any weather. And because of the Biparjoy cyclone, the Arabian Sea has become high pressure zone, and that's why western disturbances came during this monsoon. So let's move to the next slide and know about the impact of western disturbances in India. So what are the impact of western disturbances? The western disturbances create the following impacts in the atmosphere. It plays a significant role in bringing moderate to heavy rain in low-lying areas and a huge quantity of snow to mountainous areas of the Indian subcontinent. The disturbance usually occurs with a cloudy sky, higher night temperature, and unusual rains. The precipitation formed has great impact in agriculture, particularly for the rabi crops. The excessive precipitation formed due to these disturbances can cause crop damage, landslides, floods, and avalanches. In the areas of Indo-Gangetic plains, it occasionally brings cold waves conditions and dense fog, but it's not in the summer season like right now. It's bring these cold wave conditions in the winter season. So these climatic conditions remain stable until disturbed by another western disturbance. When these western disturbances travel across northwest India earlier to the onset of monsoon, a set of temporary advancement of monsoon current appears over the affected region. So these were the reasons why northern India has been affected by this monsoon heavy rainfall. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching the channel GK Key for Exam. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more GK videos. Thank you.